Welcome to Josephine, Texas, a peaceful retreat far enough from the hustle and bustle, but close enough to everything you need.
Life here moves at a friendlier pace. At the heart of it all is Josephine City Park, where neighbors gather, kids play freely, and weekends are filled with sunshine and smiles. During the summer, the splash pad is the go-to spot for families to cool off and connect. Annual traditions like fireworks in the park and Christmas in the park make this more than just a town. It's a true community. Families love that Josephine is part of Community ISD, a growing district known for its great schools and strong sense of pride. Outdoor lovers will appreciate the close proximity to Lake Lavon and Lake Ray Hubbard, two nearby lakes perfect for fishing, boating, and weekend fun. While Josephine offers peace and quiet, shopping and dining are just minutes away in Rockwall, Lavon, Wiley, Royce City, and Greenville. Everything you need is within reach. Bloomfield Homes chose Josephine for its perfect blend of peaceful living and practical location. Just a short drive from major employment hubs, Josephine offers an easy commute without the stress of city life. It's the kind of place where families can thrive and dreams of homeownership become reality.
Come find your home, your peace, and your community in Josephine, Texas with Bloomfield Homes.